Lose up to 5 pounds drinking this diabetes-fighting smoothie every morning, and your kidneys will thank you! Gathering here, I've been working with people suffering from kidney disease for almost a decade now, and I've helped many people improve their kidney function. For some, the secret was to get back to their normal body weight. And that's because being overweight can directly damage your kidneys. Not to mention that having too much visceral fat is the #1 cause of inflammation, and it directly causes high cholesterol, high blood pressure, and diabetes. But don't worry guys, this recipe has some serious metabolism boosting benefits to help you lose weight fast. The ingredients in this smoothie are chosen to directly boost your metabolism, gently helping the kidneys while supporting your health and vitality. Do you want to see how to make it? First, we have 1 medium green apple. Did you know that this variety of apples are lower in sugar than the red variety? And they also contain pectin, a type of fiber that works as a prebiotic to promote the growth of healthy bacteria in your gut. Guys, gut health is way more important than people realize when it comes to weight loss and kidney health. I've explained why in my video up here. And apples will also help you lose weight because they reduce the feeling for hunger. Next ingredient. A lot of weight loss smoothies are made with kale, which is considered by some the healthiest veggie on earth. But what I have here is another veggie that's even healthier than kale for people with kidney disease. Yeah, I know, incredible! Before I'll show you this wonder veggie, there is an important question that needs an answer. Will a smoothie actually help you lose weight? There are tons of smoothies and shakes out there claiming to do this. But forget the labels and ads and think about what's gonna work for you. When it comes to a weight loss smoothie, it needs to have 3 things for me to call it a winner. Number 1, it must be affordable enough to consume it every day. Number 2, it has to deliver. My smoothie actually boosts your metabolism and it keeps you full and not hungry because it's full of nutrients. And number 3, it has to taste great without added sugar nor sweeteners, as those are not healthy. I want to crave this day after day and feel better when I have it. Guys, the recipe I'm sharing today actually helped me lose 5 pounds already. Time for the next ingredient. This is savoy cabbage. We can consider it a healthier type of kale. It has way less potassium than kale. And savoy cabbage also boasts kidney healing properties because it is especially rich in sulfur compounds that enhance the kidney's ability to expel toxins. Let's put inside the blender. We need 1 cup of it, around 70 grams. Time now for a spice which will speed up your metabolism better than anything else in the world. Hot pepper! Oh yes! This is a spice with incredible health benefits. The capsaicin you can find even in a small quantity of hot pepper will speed up your metabolism, making you burn fat even without doing anything. This is because capsaicin has a thermogenic effect which speeds up the metabolism and the rate at which your body uses energy. This is amazing! But this plant compound may even improve heart health, lower blood pressure, and assist to heal muscle and joint pain. And even speed healing of damaged tissue. Next ingredient. This one is going to help with the taste too. Chia seeds. I always put some of these in my smoothies because they're full of omega-3s. These fats also have a satiating effect, not to mention that they cleanse your insides by collecting toxins on their way out. Let's add 1 tablespoon or around 8 grams of them. Okay, last ingredient. This is another superfood when it comes to weight loss. In a study, overweight participants who enjoyed this food as part of a low-calorie diet lost 50% more fat overall compared to the other test group. I'm talking about almonds. They are also very healthy because they are one of the best sources of magnesium, a mineral that's key for kidney health. And according to studies, almonds may even help clearing the deposits of visceral fat around the liver associated with diabetes. Really, one of the healthiest foods on earth. We are going to use 30 grams of almonds. This is 1/4 of a cup. Now you can also add a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar to this recipe if you want. Real organic ACV with the mother of vinegar, like this you can see here, is a real healer, especially for people suffering from diabetes. This is optional because it doesn't taste good. I usually prefer to just drink ACV with water, not to change the taste of this recipe. Also because this smoothie is naturally sweet and will taste good. Guys, if you want to see more foods and tips to lose weight and protect your kidneys, watch my video up here. And this is all for today. Thank you for watching.